I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, good morning, Alex here with Autonomous Trading and one more free stock pick for you to invest in the markets that will bring you millions of dollars of income and therefore you might be interested in. This article that you have on the blog precisely discusses the importance of investing in this company. The ticker is, as you can read it here, ETSI. Why? And the reason is rather simple, is a strong buy. You have to buy a massive amount of shares. That was the recommendation, and it is a free stock pick. So you have an actual chance of making $1 million daily following or utilizing our free guidance in the markets and stocks. For example, the other day I was here calling your particular attention for the importance of buying shares of Shopify. And meanwhile, there are already investors that they quadrupled their income in the stock market, and is within 1 week. So you just have to read the information posted in real time, 100% free. This chart that you have here is precisely the chart 100% free. And the English is the most basic, precisely for you to not only you can here there is a long position, okay. This stock was upgraded to strong buy at $52. It was not at the bottom. It was not necessary to buy stocks at the bottom. That is for other plans. So I started buying here and I continued buying here. Okay, so I bought more. Okay, so this is the free stock chart that it was shared with people. And you shall buy massive amounts, and congratulations for those following our guidance. And by the way, this chart includes also other stock pick, in fact, that my team mentioned. The case also 100% free, Overstock, as well as then PayPal, Twilio, and so on, okay? DocuSign, companies such as Shopify, and so on. Okay, thank you.